नमस्कार मित्रांनो. याच्या अगोदरच्या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण ॲप्लिकेशन्स ऑफ डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ह्या युनिटला सुरुवात केलेली आहे. आज आपण ह्याच टॉपिकमधील दुसरं जे ॲप्लिकेशन आहे त्याबद्दल माहिती घेणार आहोत. In second chapter, applications of derivative, we have to study several applications of derivative. So one of the application is to find equation of tangent and normal. So today we shall begin with this application. Before presenting my slide, let me explain you. If we have a curve y is equal to f of x, then at different points on the curve we can draw tangents. What is tangent? Tangent is a line which touch the curve in one point only. It touch, and if we take a line which is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact, that is called normal. So we have tangent and line perpendicular to it as a normal. Now its name is normal, but it is not that much normal. Its name is normal, but the thing which we have to study, which is called normal, is abnormal. I will tell you why it is called normal, tangent and normal. So let me start my presentation. How equations of tangents can be obtained. Tangent and normal. To find the equation of a tangent and normal to a curve at a given point using derivative. This is curve. Here one curve is shown. P is a point on the curve. This P is a point on the curve, and this line which touch the curve in only one point is tangent. So basically tangent is a line, and we have to find equation of a line. Now what is normal? Here is normal. This line is normal. So basically normal is also a line which is perpendicular to tangent, which is perpendicular to tangent at the point of contact. Means it passes, normal passes through point P. Tangent also passes through point P. P is their common point. But by just knowing coordinates of point P, we cannot find equation of the tangent. Just knowing coordinates of point P, we cannot find equation of tangent or equation of normal. For this, we want slope of the tangent, slope of the normal. Slope of the tangent can be obtained by using Newton's technique. What is Newton's technique? Newton's technique is, Newton says, slope of the tangent can be obtained by differentiating this curve, equation of the curve at point P. So remember, the tangent to a curve at a point is a straight line that just touch the curve at that point. The is normal to a curve at a point is a straight line that is perpendicular to the tangent at that point. We can use derivatives to find equations of tangent and normal. Let y is equal to f of x be a continuous function of x. Means there is no break in the graph of the function. And it represents that y is equal to f of x is a continuous function of x representing a curve in xy plane. Px1 y1 is a point on it. Then dy by dx at point x1 y1, value of dy by dx at point x1 y1, which can be written as f dash x at x1 y1, gives us the slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent to the curve at point P x1 y1. The normal, what is normal? The normal is perpendicular to tangent. Hence, slope of the normal at P will be negative reciprocal of slope of the tangent x. From slope of the from slope of the tangent, we can obtain slope of the normal because tangent and normal are perpendicular to each other. We know when two lines are perpendicular to each other, product of their slopes is minus 1. So if we know slope of one of them, we can find slope of the other. So in this method, first we will get slope of the tangent, and from slope of the tangent, we can obtain slope of the normal by taking negative reciprocal. So if I denote slope by m and m dash, so last line, let m and m dash be slopes of tangent and normal respectively, then this m is equal to dy by dx, value of dy by dx at x1 y1, and m dash is negative reciprocal. Your minus sign is missing. It should be minus 1. Minus 1 upon dy by dx. So in the next step, I will write that minus sign. Equation of tangent at x1, y1, we use slope point form. This y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is called slope point form. So using this slope point form, we write equation of the tangent. This is just mechanism. I will take one particular example, and in the next line I have written equation of the normal at px1 y1 is given by same formula, only in place of m we have to use m dash. M dash is slope of the normal. Now here is example. First problem. Find the equation of the tangent and the normal. Find the equation of the tangent and normal to the curve y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 8 at the point P32 on it. P32 is the point on the curve. We are asked to find equation of tangent and normal also to this curve at this point. What we do? We first find slope of the tangent using Newton's technique. What is Newton's technique? Differentiate the curve. Differentiate the curve, right? Dy by dx, derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of minus 2x is minus 2. 8 is constant, its derivative is 0. Then Newton says, to find equation of tangent at point P32, we find value of dy by dx, means value of 2x minus 2 at 32. Means what? Means put x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2 in this equation, in this expression, and evaluate it. The answer is 4. Value of this expression, 3 to the 6, 2 3 the 6, 6 minus 2 is 4. This is slope of the tangent. So we got slope of the tangent. We know coordinates of one point on the tangent. So we can write equation of the tangent. Slope is called gradient. Slope is also called as gradient. Gradient हे slopeचं दुसरं नाव आहे. The gradient means slope of the tangent at P is 4. Here is formula, y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. This gives us the equation of the tangent. We use 3 to point in place of x1 y1 and 4 in place of m, and rewrite this equation. Y minus 2, this 2 is y1, this 3 is x1, and 4 is slope. This is equation of the tangent. We just simplify it and get simplified form. Y minus 4x plus 10 is equal to 0. This is equation of the tangent. Problem is find equation of tangent and normal. We have obtained equation of tangent. अजून आपल्याला नॉर्मलचं इक्वेशन काढायचं आहे. normal. If we see dictionary meaning of word normal, dictionary meaning of word normal, normal is synonym of perpendicular. म्हणजे परपेंडिक्युलर या शब्दाला अनेक समानार्थी शब्द आहेत. परपेंडिक्युलर या शब्दाला अनेक समानार्थी शब्द आहेत. जसं पेडल आहे, ऑर्थोगोनल आहे, नॉर्मल आहे. हे परपेंडिक्युलर या शब्दाचे अर्थ आहेत. द मीनिंग ऑफ वर्ड परपेंडिक्युलर इज पेडल, orthogonal, normal. So this line, since this line is perpendicular to tangent, therefore it is called normal. You may call it as pedal also. Pedal line. Pedal line means perpendicular line. You can use normal line also, or orthogonal line, perpendicular line. But in our textbook, this is called normal, so we will call it normal. Let us find equation of the normal. Now slope of the tangent is 4 and product of slope of tangent and normal is -1. So you can guess the slope of the normal. Slope of the normal at point P32 is -1 upon 4 because their product should be -1. Slope of the tangent is 4. Therefore, slope of the normal must be -1 upon 4 because we want their product to be -1. Using this formula, same formula. This formula is called slope point form of equation of line. We just put value of m minus 1 by 4, x1, y1 same, 3, 2, because same point is there, and simplify this. This is the answer. Now we find equation of tangent. Next sum, find equation of tangent and normal to the curve at the point on it. Point is given. Equation of curve is y is equal to 2x cube minus x square plus 2, and point is half 2. x1 is half, y1 is 2. To find equation of tangent, tangent is a line which passes through this point, but slope is not given. Slope is not given. Newton says you can find slope of that line by differentiating this equation, finding value of derivative at this point. So we differentiate y is equal to that expression 2x cube minus x square plus 2. This is divided by dx. Derivative of x cube is 3x square, 3 to the 6, so 6x square minus 2x. This is derivative of x square. Derivative of constant 2 is 0. Value of this expression. Value of this expression at x is equal to half. We don't have scope for putting y is equal to 2 in this expression. y ची किंमत टाकण्यासाठी आपल्याला इथं स्कोप नाहीये, म्हणून x ची किंमत टाकूया हाफ. इथे x च्या जागी हाफ लिहायचं, सिम्प्लिफाय करायचं. सिम्प्लिफाय केल्यानंतर उत्तर येते 1/2. So this is value of m. This is slope of the tangent. Half is slope of the tangent. So here I have written slope of the tangent is half and tangent is passing through the point half 2. So we use formula. Which formula? Same, slope point form. Slope point form of equation of line, and slope point form of equation of line gives me equation of tangent as y minus 2 is equal to half in bracket x minus. Simplify this and get the, this is the simplification of this 2x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0. Now we will move to the normal. Normal is perpendicular to the tangent. Slope of the tangent is 1/2. Product of the slope of the tangent and slope of the normal is 0. This is property of perpendicular lines. When two lines are perpendicular to each other, product of their slope must be minus. So from slope of the tangent, which is 1/2, immediately we can write slope of the normal. Slope of the normal is minus. We use same point half 2, this slope -2, and same formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x.
Simplify. So finding equations of tangent and normal is not much difficult concept. It is very simple. It is very simple. What we do, we equation of curve will be given, coordinates of point on the curve will be given, P point will be ready for you, and and your P x1 y1. We differentiate equation of the curve. We find that derivative of y, that y will be given by some expression in x. Differentiate it, find dy by dx, find value of dy by dx, and in dy by dx put x is equal to x1, y is equal to y1. That will give you slope of the tangent. Once we get slope of the tangent, we use the property tangent and normal are perpendicular to each other. Product of their slopes must be minus 1. We get slope. Once we get slopes of tangent and normal, we use slope point form. We use slope point form y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1 for finding equation of the and equation of normal. This is the only thing which we have to learn in this unit. It is very, very simple unit, simple article. Let us move to the next problem. Here is the problem. Pi is equal to x square plus 2e raised to x plus 2. This is f of x at point 0, 4. So we differentiate this given expression with respect to x. Write dy by dx. Derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. And derivative of constant is 0. In this expression, we put x is equal to 0. Here 2 into 0 is 0. E raised to 0 is 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. Answer is 2. That means value of this expression, value of dy by dx at given point is 2. So what is this 2? 2 is slope of the tangent. So here I write slope of the tangent 2, which I denote by m. Now, here is the formula. Slope point form. Point is ready. Slope is also ready. So just put values of x1, y1 and m in this equation. ह्या इक्वेशन मध्ये आपण एक्स वाय आणि एम च्या किमती मांडणार, सिम्प्लिफाय करणार आणि tangent. Third line. Now the slope of the normal is minus 1 upon 2. Why? Because slope of the tangent is 2 and product of their slopes is minus 1. So from slope of the tangent, we can immediately write slope of the normal. And after getting slope of the normal, we use equation y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 to get equation of the. So this is here is equation of the normal. This is how we can use derivative for finding slope of the tangent. And now I move to next example. 2xy plus y 2xy plus pi sin y is equal to 2 pi. This is equation of the curve. I will read that equation. 2xy plus pi into sin y is equal to 2 pi and point is 1 pi by 2. Means x1 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to 2. Procedure is same. Though equation is little bit complicated, हे y pi आलेले आहे त्याच्यात, येऊ द्या आले तर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढणार आपण to differentiate this equation. So differentiating this equation, we find value of dy by dx. This I will not read all steps. Just differentiate this using rules of differentiation and come to the value of dy by dx. Expression for dy by dx. Expression for dy by dx is minus 2y upon 2x plus pi cos y. This is simplified form of dy by dx. And in this dy by dx, we have to write values of x1 and y. Y is pi and x is 1. So in place of x, in place of this x, we read 1. And in place of y, we read pi by 2. This 2 will get cancelled. Value of cos pi by 2 is 0. So this part becomes 0. 2 plus 0. Denominator is 2. Numerator is minus pi. So minus pi by 2. This is value of dy by dx at given point. So minus pi by 2 is slope of the tangent. Minus pi by 2 is slope of the tangent. So with this example, we stop our today's lecture, and in the next lecture, we'll continue with next article.